Hi and welcome to a brand new episode on Pettagama. Today we are very excited to be with Kaju Flavours. Alright, so Kaju Flavours, we are all huge fans of cashew. And I'm here with the founder and owner of Kaju Flavours, Debbie. Hi Debbie.
Hi.
Alright, so she's going to tell us about the premium cashew that they manufacture and why you got into this whole business.
So our cashew is all from Wanathavilluwa, from my dad's very own estate in Wanathavilluwa Puttalum. It's called the Colombaga Estate Plantation, right? And it's processed in his friend's factory in Wanathavilluwa itself and brought to Mount, where I do a few flavors on it and sell it here locally.
That's absolutely amazing. Alright, so I mean, tell me who isn't a cashew fan, right? So you've got to try this out and I'll give you reasons as to why you've got to try it out because I'm super excited and Debbie's going to kind of lay down for us, right? Tell us why. So what sets you apart from every other cashew manufacturer or every other cashew nut in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, so mainly because our cashew is of premium quality that I can guarantee anytime. And we also have these different flavors which I think you all have not heard before. So I introduced chocolate coated cashew, caramelized cashew, and then we have the salt and pepper, the chili and garlic, the sugar coated, the burnt, and the very famous deviled cashew and garlic cashew. We are also currently available on Uber Eats and Pitme as well. And we have these jars being sold at online grocery stores such as Celeste Daily, Groceries by the Governor, then selling online at TryBestSell, whoweare.lk, and we also have it at cafes such as Seed Cafe, Colombo 7, and Cafe Kumbuk, Nimasa Cafe, and Fuel in Batharamulla. So.
Okay, so there you go. There's a ton of ways you can get your hands on all of this. We'll be giving you the social media handles and we're gonna link it in the description as well. But we're gonna get into a bit more details on the whole cashew story in just a bit. Alright, so we are back with Kaju Flavours and Devni. Alright, so since it's Kaju Flavours, I've decided to actually try and taste all of this amazing cashew in front of me. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to guess all the ingredients, right? Devni's gonna help me out here. And yeah, because Devni's a pro. Okay, she's a pro. She's lived and grown all her life with cashew in her family, and she's gonna give us a bit more details on that as well. But I'm gonna start now. Debbie, tell me, what do you recommend I try first?
First, maybe the burnt one.
The burnt, okay. Going for it. This one.
Yeah.
It's not burnt. Okay, burnt. So good. So, ingredients wise, I think it's cashew and it's burnt.
Yeah,
right?
With a little bit of butter.
Oh.
Yeah, just a bit.
Okay, I get it. You get that. It kind of like, it's very subtle, but you still feel it. And it makes a big difference though, right? It does, because it's not like when you just burn cashew, I've noticed a bit of a dryness to it.
Yeah.
This does not have that.
Yeah, and it's milky, right?
It is.
Yeah, Sri Lankan cashew is very milky.
So
very
good.
Nice.
I mean, this is like a field day for me. Alright, so second up, what do you recommend?
Try this one. This is caramelized.
Very much caramelized. This actually reminds me of the sweet we have, right? Where it's got that sugar coating outside and what's that other taste? The brown. I'm so bad at these ingredients. And I like
cinnamon.
cooking. A cinnamon!
Yeah.
Yes! I cook with cinnamon all the time.
Yes,
It just
yes,
never came to
cinnamon.
my mind. Okay, so
that's you guess it.
okay, so cinnamon, there is sugar, there is cashew, and there is I'm guessing there's cashew powder since you mentioned it. No, no.
That's kitulchi curry. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But okay, so I'm just gonna put this out now. Even with all of the sweet ingredients in it, it's not very sweet,
Yeah.
right? So I mean, it's got the perfect sweetness where, because I'm a person who has a pretty big sweet tooth, but at the same time, I don't like when it's overly sweet, and that kind of hits the mark perfectly. I think you can use that for a lot of desserts.
Yeah.
Super stuff. Okay, I'm excited. I'm just gonna dig it out. So should I just like jump in? Okay, what is this?
That is you have it and
Okay, we'll have
I
it.
tell you, it's very obvious.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Nice. So this is like the when you go to these vade shops and then you get the garlic separately. If you're one of those people like me, like I always do that, I buy like about 3 garlics and I just get it. It's perfect. It's perfect. I could totally see myself put a good sticky rice, have a whole bunch of this inside there, and you know, good steamed dry sauce. Perfect. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna try one more because I'm just
Yeah. Let's try the chocolate.
yeah, chocolate. I was
Definitely.
waiting, you know, saving that for the end because it's perfect. You know how you usually have chocolate and then have cashew inside? The other way around.
Yeah.
But this is very, I don't know, am I allowed to say this? Premium chocolate, because it really tastes like it.
Yeah.
It's so good. I'm not even like, this is mad. You have to try this if you haven't already. We're gonna show you a close up of this as well, but chocolate cashew, it's just, wow. I'm just gonna take
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
This is
Have it all.
amazing.
You can have it all.
Wow. Okay, but this is perfect, and there's so many good benefits in terms of cashew as well. And I think majority of us know this because we've grown up with it. But for the younger audience that is just learning about how cool these things are and what the nutritional value is, can you enlighten us on a little bit of it?
Yes. So cashew is actually. So I'm not any doctor or anything. This is what I've generally been taught by my parents and by my uncle who owns the factory. That it is very good for cholesterol, for heart diseases, for eyesight, and even good for your skin, apparently.
Okay.
So yeah, overall I think cashew is very healthy, and maybe you should have a few cashew nuts a day.
I mean,
To keep the doctor away.
I like that saying.
Yeah.
Honestly, I do like that saying.
Yeah.
And trust me, this is very affordable as well, because if you've gone to the supermarket and all of that, you know how much a cashew pack is. So one of these bottles comes at
1,350.
1,350, and you can purchase it at any of the outlets that were mentioned before. And we'll be putting down all the links in the description as well, so you have nothing to worry about. You can grab one of these and you can store them. Not just that, cashew comes in handy when it comes to a lot of things. You know, really, if you bake, if you cook, if you do all of these things, you can just like chuck it into everything, really. Alright, so we are back, and I've been munching on so much cashew. I'm in love with this cashew. You've got to try Kaju Flavours. Alright, so before we say goodbye, and thank you to Devni, I'm going to ask her one more question while munching on more cashew. Devni, what have been some of the biggest challenges you faced?
The biggest one is actually that the Kaju season is only from April to July. April to July, and that is where all the stocking and everything happens, right? So towards, on a normal year, not considering COVID and all of that, towards November, December, Jan, it gets very expensive.
Okay.
So then, we also have to increase our prices a bit, and that becomes a bit of a difficult time for our clients as well as us, because the prices gets a bit too high.
Definitely. Sustainability is quite
yes.
tough. But that being said, I mean, you've been doing a wonderful job, and from what I see, it's super exciting. Like, I am excited for cashew, right? Bringing this back to the spotlight, really. You have to try it. And hey, Definitely's got something very special lined up for you as well. You stand a chance to win one of these jars. Okay, so you'll be getting all the details on how you can do that. Or you've probably already seen the post while this video drops. And if you've got in on it, feel free to leave a comment right under this video as well. Get involved in all of the competitions we've got going on here. And let's say you win, you get a chance to pick out whichever flavor you want. Absolutely amazing. So Debbie, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I'd like to end this by saying buy local and support local.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you once again, Debbie. And till we see you again very soon on Pettagama. Today it's Kaju Flavours, Debbie and Premium signing out. Take care.
Thank you.